We are foodies. Today we are going to introduce instant noodles from different countries. And there are food countries, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Taiwan. And we will talk about their flavor and culture.
Alright, let's go.
Why? Because I think it is a little spicy and I like the soup. Because I like something I like its flavor. Which one do you think is the worst? Why? Because nothing special and it is very boring. I think it tastes a little flat and I don't like it.
For me, Indonesian food have rich flavors. Some often described as savory, hot, and spicy. And it also combines the basic tastes such as sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. For me, Vietnam foods are specific as spicy because for Vietnamese, they are living at a very humid and very hot place, so they prefer the spicy ones. They are not like Indonesian foods, really rich flavor.
And compared to Taiwan, Taiwanese food are more salty, and the dishes in Taiwan are with garlic and green onion. And beef noodles represent one of Taiwan's gourmet food.
If you like our show, please share with your friends.